A quick rundown as well. Start it over. I'm happy you did. If you did, I'm happy you did. Also, I wanted to, nope, in a load-bearing wall. And Coda's gonna bark and I'm gonna smack him. By talking about, nope, how much weight is, start it over. Weight. Gonna make, nope. Hold on. Okay? All good? And that way, let's cut it. I should be cutting this with a circular saw though, I'll tell you the truth. 1/2 inch will work, plywood. Oh my God. I'm also shooting. Got me. Does it matter? No, not really. Why do I care? I don't know. I didn't have all these wires. I mean, kids getting curious. Right, Lauren? No kids getting curious. Craftsman! You're definitely not an electrician. No shit! How'd that look, Lauren? Whoa! Oh, you're gonna make me get the ladder? Skip that one. Oh my God. Must be a knot there. Some just don't want to cooperate. Like that one.